Document formatting and consistency. The foundation of professionalism and clarity. Welcome to Lecture 10.4. A meticulously crafted proposal is your organization's most powerful advocate. The often overlooked elements of document formatting and consistency play a crucial role in shaping the evaluator's perception and ultimately influencing their decision. A well-formatted and consistent proposal signals attention to detail, professionalism, and a commitment to clarity, fostering trust and making your message resonate more effectively. Key elements of effective document formatting. Formatting encompasses the visual presentation of your proposal. Key elements include font choices. Select professional and legible fonts for both body text and headings. Heading styles. Use a clear and hierarchical heading structure to organize your content. Body text formatting. Use appropriate line and paragraph spacing to improve readability. Bullet points and numbered lists. Utilize lists to present related items concisely and improve readability. White space. Strategic use of white space is crucial for visual appeal and readability. Margins and alignment. Set appropriate margins and maintain consistent alignment of text and visuals. Page numbers and headers/footers. Include page numbers and consistent information in headers/footers for easy reference. The power of consistency in building credibility. Consistency in formatting is a fundamental element of professional communication that builds credibility and reinforces your organization's attention to detail. Elevates professionalism. Consistent formatting creates a cohesive and polished overall appearance reflecting positively on your organization. Builds trust. Inconsistent formatting can create the impression of carelessness or a lack of coordination, potentially undermining the evaluator's confidence in your ability to deliver. Reinforces brand identity. Consistent use of brand colors, fonts, and visual elements strengthens brand recognition and reinforces your identity. Facilitates evaluation. A well-structured and consistently formatted document is easier for evaluators to read and navigate, allowing them to focus on your message rather than on deciphering a disorganized layout. Case study. The IT solutions provider. A government agency was evaluating proposals from two IT companies. Tech Solutions A submitted a technically sound proposal but with inconsistent fonts, varied heading styles, and uneven spacing. The overall impression was disjointed and unprofessional. Tech Solutions B submitted a meticulously formatted and consistent proposal that adhered to a clear set of guidelines. The document was easy to read and visually appealing. Outcome: the evaluation committee found Tech Solutions B's proposal easier to understand and felt that the professional formatting reflected a greater level of care and attention to detail. Tech Solutions B was awarded the contract, with their superior formatting and consistency being a key factor in the decision. Benefits of formatting and consistency. Consistent formatting provides numerous benefits. Enhanced readability. It makes the proposal easier to read and understand. Improved navigation. A well-structured document facilitates easy navigation. Professional appearance. It contributes to a polished and professional overall appearance. Reinforced brand identity. Consistent use of brand colors and fonts strengthens brand recognition. Demonstration of attention to detail. Meticulous formatting signals a commitment to quality, which can be crucial in high-stakes bids. Increased credibility and trust. A professionally formatted and consistent proposal instills greater confidence in your organization's capabilities. Key takeaways. Building a foundation for success. Document formatting and consistency are not superficial elements. They are fundamental building blocks that contribute significantly to your proposal's professionalism, clarity, and persuasiveness. By investing time and effort in these foundational elements, you can create proposals that provide a solid foundation for your message to be heard, understood, and ultimately, to win.